Yeah, what's up, kings and queens? We back again, back at the Mayweather case. The tricks will never end. The trickery will never end. The snake mentality will never end. Like, they're up to something new now. As soon as they feel the pressure, I'm talking about the state, they devise some, devious means. What do you view this as? What transpired today? I just view it as intimidation towards Gwabeni to, harass his friends. I mean, if the cops were investigating these guys, let's say they were investigating them, the opportunity now was it an opportune time for them to now apprehend them since now they're in court? Why couldn't they do their own investigation at their own time and find these guys at their own time? It just shows that this is just to intimidate the guy they came with. Anyway, guys, let's enjoy and listen to what happened today. The judge acting as if he's surprised, and he wants this thing to be put on record without them talking about it first on whether it deserves to be heard in court or not in chambers, as Muniz is suggesting. This is what the judge does all the time. Just, you know, just flaunting procedure. I think I'm not a judge, but I think there should be some kind of procedure when it comes to these kind of things. Anyway, enjoy, guys. Just check out what happened today.
Yes. We have indeed compiled heads of argument, my lord, and in paragraph 1.1, we state that 1.2, we mentioned that Gwabeni has been called as a defense witness on behalf of accused number 1. And in paragraph 1.3, we point out that the defense for accused number 1 is objecting to the cross-examination of Gwabeni on his extracurricular statement on the basis that the statement has not been proven. And
sorry, about the interpretation. Do we interpret this document after all the arguments have been traversed? Okay. Yes.
we mentioned, my lord, in paragraph 1.4 that Gwabeni was initially on a list of state witnesses for the state, but he was not called as a witness. And we mentioned, my lord, that the reason why he was not called as a state witness was mentioned by Brigadier Gininda, the investigating officer in this matter, as follows, as seen on the record of the 6th of June 2025 at page 75. Mr. Gininda, I'm going to say it with utmost respect, but I will say it as it is. During the consultation with the state, he indicated that he was fearful of his life.
We know that that's a lie, as well as anybody else that's listening to this call, because if the state intended to bring Gwabeni as their witness, they would have done so. And it's surprising that he was a suspect for something. Hence the arrest and the torture and, the statement that was under duress. In fact, it was not even a statement because they transferred some statement as he said. They never sat down with him and did a proper statement.
My lord, on the issue that the statement of Gwabeni has not been proven, or the challenge that the defense put to the state that the statement of Gwabeni must first be proven.
Witness has just drawn my attention. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Nkosi Katolo khana bathe ngihamba nabo la bathe amaphoyisa ahamba nabo abheka la ngisazi kwenzakala.
There are people whom were in my company, my lord, and that were seated here. And then
Yeah.
they've been now taken by the police, so I'm not sure as to what is happening.
Now.
Just now, my lord.
Na abasijike nabo ngabheka nabo le.
They took them and went right around with them.
How will I intervene? Are they arrested or are they taken? Which is which?
Asazi-ke ukuthi mhlampe bayaboshwa labantu noma ke bayathathwa nje.
Yikho ngibuza inkosi kathi kwenzakalani.
That's why I'm asking this court as to what is happening, my lord.
I don't know.
Inkosi enkantolo ayazi yona.
Please, the court, my lord. May I request an indulgence just to find out as to what is happening?
Yes.